everyone, my name is Christian M. Emilian Bass 93. Now I'm gonna explain to you about Lab 6 Native Bay.
Okay, so I'll explain to you. This code is contains the Google Colab and Google Drive access the Colab notebook folders and print the list of the file inside here for each part. For the next one, it is the code imports the essential Python libraries. The data analysis and machine shows the representation of recalls of F4 score. The fusion metric shows the correct versus the incorrect predictions. For the next one, it is the code that loads the CSV file that PEMA Indians diets into a pandas data frame, give into proper column names and display by first few rows verify the data explanation. And for the output, let's run the datasets into see the few 5 rows. The datasets include the column headers using the 5 rows of data of one patient. 2 column represents the medical features of diagnosed results. As you can see from the results. And for the next one, here it is the X contains the output features used to make predictions. And for the next one, it is the mean dropping columns, not a row, but it is the 8 columns that accept the target variables. For the next one, it is the code that split the datasets into a training test sets and keep steps before training the machine learning model. And the output shows here. Same here. It is the code that training the naive Bayes model using for training datasets. For this model, we learn patterns and data for later by making predictions. For the next one, this code uses that training the naive Bayes model that predicts the test from the prints from the first 10 prediction results. And for the next one, it is a code that evaluates the performance of naive Bayes models by calculating their metrics accuracy, the confusion metrics, and delayed report from this output. And for the next one, here, it is a CBurn that map plots to the creative Hitman's evaluation for the confusion of metrics, making it easier to interpret the model performance visualize. And for the output explanation, it is the heatmap output that visualizes the representation of the metrics and which helps to understand well how the model clarified testing data. And for the next one, see the last one here. This is the code that performed the hyperparameter training by the naive Bayes model using the grid search, which is crossed by validate and find the best value from the smooth and parameter and training the model with the best parameter evaluates the performance.
Thank you everyone for listening until the end of my video.